What's up, YouTube? I've been down in Hocking for the last, like Athens area, the last 2 weeks because of work. I'm done fishing in the Hocking River, done fishing at Lake Hope, Dow Lake. It's all in one video of everything. It's kind of going to be bouncy all over the place, but there will be a lot of fish caught. But yeah, right now we're going to the Hocking River, and then we're going to be going to Lake Logan. So yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully catch some fish. Biggin', dude. Ooh. Ooh. Get over here, boy. Yep, they're liking that bait. I'm using the same bait that I just gave you.
Are you dragging across the bottom?
Yeah, just kind of dragging it, just like popping it every now and then. That boy. That was a late reaction. Yeah, I should have been recording the whole time. I'll have that. A little Hocking River specimen. Got another little guy. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a smallmouth. Oh, jeez, I'm Pete's brother. Where's my net? Hey! Kind of scared me a little bit because I was about to get on my phone while I was casting too. There's a big rock right there. He was just sitting on the side of it. Little swim bait guy. Nice little guy. Ooh. Boom, baby. Another nice little smallie out of the old Hocking River. They're munching today, buddy. Yep. Yeah. Well, no. I'm right-handed, but I don't know why I like to throw on the other side.
Most people do.
Yeah.
I always switch it.
Little pimps.
Little pimps.
Little pimps. Ow. They feel like Rockies?
Oh, I get enough to set the hook on and they're gone.
Nighttime smallies, baby. Heck yeah, chunk. Fish sandwich. Throwing a swim bait in the river, besides in like a dam. Yeah. Yep. You'll have that and them bigger jobs. Rocky Balboa.